So I ordered my baby a humidifier off Temu. We're gonna unbox it. Wrong way. No, wrong way. It's easy, but yeah. Oh, hold on. Oh, of course that was gonna happen. Y'all do not do all this. It's like a mushroom. What's supposed to be? Yeah, of course it comes with, you know, like a charger piece.
Whoa. I like it.
You like it.
Oh, wait. Wait, is it a shower? Mommy, this is a shower.
That's not a shower.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it's supposed to like light up. But obviously you gotta like plug it up. Hold on, let me at least get to the plugging up part.
Yeah.
It got 3 modes in one. It got different color lights. You know. So yes, 3 different modes. The colors, so cute. Rain, you can choose whether it's just something, you know, that your child nose can open up. But you know, if they don't really like sitting right there, I mean, it's lights, and then they give them that energy to want to sit there, I would hope. Yeah, this is like the rain. And let me show you with the lights off. Yeah, you see? It can rain harder. Like they got the buttons, like you can have light rain, whatever. But it's supposed to be a humidifier. You feel like the cold breeze, which you actually do kind of feel just a little bit, but it's so pretty. It turns different colors. And I just got it for my daughter, but this girl breaks stuff, so it's like, oh my goodness. I got her another light too, but she's not gonna give me that back. She think I'm trying to take it back. Like, girl.
Whoa.
But it's pretty.
Yeah. You try again?
Yeah.
Whoa.
That one must be the main one that shocks you.
Yeah. Okay, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. You ready?
Yeah. Whoa.